Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did this transition. You see it, this clothes transition is very simple. It's not a much work to do. It's very simple, so we'll dive into it immediately so that you'll be able to do your own. Go to your Capcut. When you go to your Capcut, click on the new project, then go and import the first video that you did. I have to jump up. See it, I just jump up. That is the first video I did. Then when you import this first video, then go and check it very well. Go and look for where you see it. This is where your leg is up. Before you come down, look at it very well. Where your leg is up like this, cut it from there. You are going to cut it from there, delete that side. Then when you delete it, then go and import the second video where you also jumped down in the second cloth. See the second video now. Then I'm going to go and look for where I jumped before I come down. Where I jump up, let's check for it. Okay, see where I jumped up. That means this is where I'm coming down like this. You see, this is where I'm coming down. Then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it from here, then delete this one when I jumped up, the first one. Then let's watch it. See here now, I jump up, me coming down is in this clothes. Let's see it now. See it now. You see? So when I jump up, see it, when I'm up, I'm already in this clothes. Then when I'm coming down, I'm already in with this clothes. It's just very simple. Then this place that you danced or all that, so it's not left for you to know how many minutes that you want it to be. You can select and delete some part. You come to this edge too, depending on what happened after you jump down. You can also select and delete some parts. So if you have like 3 or 4 different clothes that you use for the transition, this is how you are going to do each and every one of them. So had it been I have another one, I will make sure I jump up at the last set, then I'm going to add the third one that has another cloth. So it's just very simple. Hope you get this. Thanks for watching, and share this video so that others will learn how to do this transition video. Thank you, and see you in my next video.